Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M54 and let me show you how to do fingerprint to this device. So first of all, open the settings. Then from main settings list, select security and privacy right here, go to screen lock and mark fingerprints. Tap on continue, mark next, and as you can see at first, you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be PIN code, password, pattern, whatever you want. Let me mark pattern, draw it, tap on continue, draw it again, confirm, and now it's time to set your fingerprint. As you can see, sensor is located on your home screen, so just keep tapping till it's fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor and recreate the action till you're informed that it has been fully saved, fully added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, and from now on, you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.